Yummy, Julie?
Yeah. Oh. Okay. But these birds were fighting against the pup.
Look at this one.
My food, the food
Mia,
over
look.
there. They were like fighting against it, and only one got to. What is it?
Save it.
Hey, can I put it in my hair?
It's a pretty feather.
You should.
Hold the cup. Just hold, don't take the food out. Hold the cup up to him.
I'm gonna go to the other one.
Okay, go. Pet him, Jamie. He'll let you pet him. He'll let you pet him. Julie's already petted him.
Yeah, one landed right on the dog's shoulder.
Whoa.
Yeah, male birds, that's the female. Here we go. Let's go.
Look at how brave she is. Oh,
What happened?
he snapped at her.
Did he really?
He did. But he didn't hurt her.
Did it feel good?
No, he found it in my arm.
Did it scare you?
No,
You are okay. You have a lot of courage.
no.
You're strong.
Puppy.
You no bite my baby girl no
Yeah,
more.
you'd be nice to baby Julie.
Come on, that's my baby
Come
girl.
with me.
Come on,
Let's
let's
go.
go. We're done with that bird. He bit you. Oh my goodness, this is supposed to be good luck. When birds poop on you.
You are very lucky then. Better you than me, baby.